segmentation. SNCS Limited, in other words, Suchnetcom Solar Limited, successfully executed 4 major installation projects across Nigeria between 2013 and 2016. That is 12 business quarters. Based on the 3 years sales records, I refer you to see figure 4 on the screen. The trends of services rendered to customers are further analyzed in figure 5, 6, and 7, and 8. The gross sales on technical services rendered to customers over the 12 quarters covering 2013 to 2016 are fairly encouraging. Refer to table 5 here on the screen. The total net profit margin is 7% of overall sales over the period cited.